Tanin Auto Electronics here. Today we are working on a 2015 Acura MDX. This customer replaced the instrument cluster and needs mileage correction. So we will remove the cluster and perform the service and show you the result. And here you'll see the updated mileage, 72,303, which is what the chassis had before the cluster was replaced. So we can do many makes and models, almost everything out there. If you need odometer correction on a replacement cluster, or if you bought a cluster from a dealer, generally they set it at 0 miles and then put a sticker in the door jamb. We can correct it. Any type of LED work, colors, diagnosis we can do, but this is just an example of our odometer correction service. So check us out on our website or our chat on our webpage, Facebook, Instagram, social media, all that stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.